Look, I'll say congratulations because you actually got stuck in and did something that most beginners don't even do, and that is just get started. Building a Shopify store takes hours upon hours upon hours of time invested in things that you just don't know whether or not they need to be done in order to make sales. And guess what? Sales are by far and away what matters most when it comes to any business. So how do we know that when we do open those stores and we start running those ads, that there's a high likelihood that we are going to make those sales? If you haven't created a Shopify store yet, hold up! Because I'm going to show you the way that you can create a Shopify store with a 99% chance that you're going to make those sales. If you don't connect with the niche that you just built that store for on Shopify, all that time that you spent has just gone to waste. It will be a store that you're going to have to shut down and move on to the next thing. And that is the time when most beginners give up, throw their hands in the air, and go back to doing what they've always done. And it's not e-commerce. So if you want to be the one that's rubbing their hands together, counting their dollars at the end of the day and their time because they get to spend so much more time with their family, then listen up. This video is for you. So what's the best way to get started with print on demand in 2022, 2023, 2024? Look, for the foreseeable future, since 2014, it's been the same way that you should get started in print on demand before you do commit to opening a Shopify store. And that is by going to the platforms. Print on demand platforms mean you never have to touch the product, never have to talk to the customers, literally no customer service, except for those ones that come through to the Facebook page. The platforms will process the transactions, print and fulfill on your behalf, and give you the profit off the top. So what makes platforms so damn good? The reason is it allows you to focus. Focus, an abbreviation for focus on one channel until success or until sales. Focus on one channel until sales. Or success. Platforms like Shine On, who by far and away are the best, link in the description below, allow you to focus on the 2.5 things that matter most in print on demand. And they are the phrase building and design and the marketing. And 99% of what we do in print on demand is focused on that phrase and creating in a style that, should the phrase connect, that you're going to scale hard and fast, and it's good enough to do just that. If you would like me to help you one-on-one, then I have something that you're going to want to hear. I've just opened the doors to my one-on-one coaching program, the PODHacks Accelerator. In this program, we spend 2 hours together going over your 90-day strategy. The first hour is all about that strategy, what your schedule looks like, and how many hours you're committing to your business each week. Based on that, you tell me at the end of the week exactly what you got up to, and I hold you accountable to it. On the Monday or early in the next week, I get in there and give you written feedback, calling you on your shit if you haven't done what you said you would. This 90-day strategy helps you build the foundations of success. We create winning phrases and designs together, and we go over the sequence of events that you need to follow through your week to find those massive winners that we're seeing everywhere. I can't promise you results, no coach can, but what I can promise you is my 100% commitment to seeing you get as close as possible to where Lady Luck shines her beautiful bright lights on you. Right, so that's not enough. There is 24 live group calls where each week we do 2. You come armed with your most high value question that is going to get us moving the needle for you. Look, there's too much to really cover in this quick video, but if you want to check out what the PodHacks Accelerator is all about, go to podhacks.co and apply now. When I opened the doors, within 2 hours, I had 50 calls booked. I was sold out in 6 days. That's 20 seats filled in 6 days when I first opened. And the only reason I couldn't fill it faster was because there was no more hours left in my workday to speak to everyone. Book your call now. And look, it's not a sales call, it is a discovery call. I need to make sure that you fit the correct type of person that gets through. Not everyone gets in. You need to be coachable, you need to be energetic and positive, you need to be 100% committed and believe this is what's going to get you a result. You need to be encouraging and supportive of your fellow students, and you need to commit. The first one sold out in 6 days. The second one is filling fast. I've filled 5 spots and there's 15 left. Anyway, back to the 2.5 things that matter most in print on demand. The phrase building and design and the marketing. 99% is the phrase building and design and the other 1% is your marketing. It doesn't matter how good your Facebook ads or your TikTok ads are. If that phrase does not connect on a design that looks good, no amount of advertising is going to save that piece. Connect emotionally and the marketing becomes easier. It's vitally important that you remove all the second guessing that you're putting into your advertising. When you are spending that money on the designs that you've created without following the fundamentals, you are second guessing everything. Is this color correct? Is that the right font choice? Does this niche buy? Does this product sell? Why do I have so many add to carts and no sales? Why are there so many clicks and no sales? To learn how to create those killer phrases, make sure you watch this video here. So again, what makes platforms so good? There's no wasted hours on building out a complicated Shopify store. There's no setting up payment systems. There's no brand kits. There's no favicons and logos and purchasing them from who knows where. There's no having to get a million products on your store. It's literally focusing on one product, on one platform, on the 2.5 things that matter most. The platform removes all the noise and fast tracks your result. Now, once you're set up on the platform, it's time to go to work. Choose 3 to 5 high-level niches. Don't get too granular because you still want a decent amount of audience to scale into. Start creating designs for each of those niches. Before you move on from a niche, following those fundamentals and the foundations of what makes a good phrase, you need to test at least 30 before you give up and go on to your next niche. If you haven't got a niche in mind, make sure you download my free ebook in the description below. It's called the 1000 plus untapped and profitable niches. And it's gonna help you find your niches for free. If you got no sales in 30 plus designs, maybe you need to watch this video. If you have connected with a niche, congratulations. Success leaves clues. Make sure you keep testing new products into that niche, and through that consistency, you're going to find those juggernauts that ends up with you sharing those awesome screenshots that we all see in the Facebook groups that motivate the shit out of us. So when is it time to move on to Shopify? That is when you hit $25,000 plus in one niche. That is a clear indication that you're just vibing with what they want. The way your design connects, the way your phrase build connects, everything you do obviously resonates with who you're targeting. That is the fastest way to build a profitable Shopify store straight out of the gates. And if you're still unsure on how to create jewelry and phrases that emotionally connect with your target, you need to watch this video now. And maybe this one. You've got to start somewhere. Watch them both. See you in the next one.